SHEIN and ENHYPEN. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. My WEVERSE package finally arrived. It is the ENHYPEN repackaged Dimension Answer album. I pre-ordered it, and so I got the pre-order gift. I wish that I was able to go to like the lucky draw events, but because I work full-time and I also am far from Seoul-ish, it's not plausible for me to like go to them during the week, which sucks. Okay, so first off, I think this is the poster tube. Ooh, here are the albums and the pre-order benefit. So let's go ahead and go into them. I think this is just like a PC set. I don't really know, or like a magnet set. So it says Dimension Answer, or it's like a photo stand or something. Oh my god. Okay, so their photo stand, and I got Jake, and I also got Sunghoon. These are so good. Yeah, so they're photo stands. Oh my god, so exciting. You get a group PC. So beautiful. And then on the back it says like Weaver Shop and stuff. This one is almost, I would say, identical to the PCs that you get at Hybe. And then this one's just like a regular PC. Beautiful. They're the same, just two different like materials, I guess. Wow, I can't believe I pulled Jake and Sunghoon, like amazing. So let's go ahead and go through the albums now. There's two different versions. This one is No, and then this one is Yes. I guess we'll do this one since I'm holding this right now. Yes version is the white and blue one. So it's like a really nice, like sturdy material. And you just open her up. Here's the book. Okay, and then you get, what is this? The lyric book, which is attached. Yeah, it's attached to the photo book. Ooh, this is like the soft boy concept. I think I like the No concept. Okay, and then so here's what the other booklet part looks like, and you get like the CD and like your PCs and stuff. So I already see a Nikki. This is a like see-through. This is what this looks like. I don't even know how to describe this. This is like it's like a film strip, but not really at the same time. Nikki is so cute, beautiful. And then yes, I got Jungwon, and I got AJ Polaroid. Yes. Wow, we love variety in this household. These are stunning. And then you get some stickers. These ones are really cute. And then you get this standy thing with them in umbrellas. And then you get this like dice cutout thing, which is kind of cool. And then you get like the Dark Moon Academy program pamphlet thing. So that's pretty sick, pretty cool, pretty cool. Wow, stunning polls. I am so happy with those. That was Dimension Answer Yes version. And then we're gonna go ahead and open up the No version now. So this is, I think, the concept that I really like. This is more of like the bad boy concept, I think. Again, here's the book, and then you get like the lyric book in the back. Yeah, this is the concept that I'm obsessed with. They're stunning. I can't wait to flip through these books. They're beautiful. And then we have the CD. I see a Sanu. I already saw like the film strip. So we got Sanu. Wow, we really got like almost everybody. I got a Sunghoon. I'm speechless. And we got a Nikki. Beautiful. The only member I didn't pull was Heesung. Sad. Yeah, I literally pulled everybody. I just didn't get a Heesung. Here are the stickers for the No version. And then this is the standing photo. And the dice cutout thingy, the same pamphlet. So there's some nice inclusions in here. I'm obsessed with this. And these polls are just, yes. Oh, might as well open up the posters while I'm here. Ooh, this one's really... Okay, anyways. So I think you get Yeah. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is the Yet version poster. But Nikki's kind of out of focus. Like, he's the closest to the camera, but he's like a little bit out of focus. I don't know how to like describe it. I don't know. And then, yes, icons. Icons. This photo is just too good. Those were the pre-order benefits from Weverse, my pulls for the album. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'm so happy with the pulls. Yeah. Comment down below if you guys ordered it or you guys have the album. Tell me who you pulled for like which version. My favorite version is the no version. They killed it. Blessed, Cursed, so good. Polaroid Love, obsessed. They never miss. Their comebacks are always so good. Stand and hype them. Bye guys.